So what's up guys? So SM just released their new subunit for NCT, which is NCT DREAM. So after NCT U, NCT 127, and now we have NCT DREAM. I think this group is the youngest among the subunits of NCT, New Culture Technology. The members are all so young. Oh my god. The oldest will be 17 and the youngest is 14. And oh my god, spazzing this group, I feel so old because I'm already 20 and then I'm spazzing a group that is younger than me. So basically the group is composed of 7 members I think, but I only know 4, Jeno, Haechan, Mark, and Jisung. So I will be making a reaction video on NCT DREAM's Chewing Gum music video. I'm just curious about the concept. I'm excited to watch the video, especially when I saw the teaser. So join me, let's watch this together and let's see how great the group is. Oh my god, Jisung! Jeno, I don't know you. No, I don't know you too. Mark! Oh, great start. Oh my god, they're so young. Oh my Jeno! They are all so young. Yeah, with the age range of 14 to 17 and the average of 15.6. Oh my god, I feel so old. Oh, Haechan! He looks so naughty. He's really naughty, I think. Oh, he's so cute. I don't even know him, but he's cute. His eyes. Oh, Jisung. Oh. So he's the main dancer. Oh, so. That guy, not this one, Haechan. Yeah. He's so cute. Oh my god, Pac-Man. Oh. Yeah, this one. He looks like the member of Zia. A member of Zia. The boy band. Oh. The color in this music video is so vibrant and the background is so catchy, so I like it. And it's literally for children, of course, with their age. So appropriate. Are they all Korean? He looks Chinese. That one. Oh, Hitler. Jeno looks like Jaehyun plus Sehun because Jeno. I don't know if you agree, but yeah, Mark really raps like a pro. Yeah. Yeah. I like how the pink is. Oh my god, I wanna buy that squishy thing. So Mark is the oldest member of this group, I think. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, he's dance master or dance machine. That's the term. Oh my god. Not the kids. Chewing gum. NCT DREAM. I wonder why NCT DREAM. Good. Oh my god, that video was actually great. Like, it was awesome. I really love the color and the concept. I guess because the concept is the members are so young, the concept matched the age of the members. So great job Esther for that. I don't know who will I pick as my bias as for this group. They are all so cute, but I think I will stick with Haechan. or Mark, or Jisung, or Jeno. I don't know. I just love them all. They're all so cute. That's just what I can say. The chorus was just so catchy. Chewing gum, chew 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 chew. That's my favorite part. I'm just really excited for the career of this group. I mean NCT as a whole. They were giving us a very good performance. Every subunit did a great job. So I don't know if there will be limits for this group. Like they can do everything because of the number of members. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I will keep on making reaction videos on different K-pop music videos. And yeah, bye!